I was out Friday morning with my dogs, taking them for a walk along the beach at Eastbourne, and I noticed all these tyre tracks along the beach and all these big mounds of gravel. It took me a while to figure out what these big mounds of gravel are, but it turns out these have been put here for huge, big dumper trucks to travel along the beach so they can go over these wave breaker groins, I suppose you call them, which come right up to the path and then down into the water. And these big dumper trucks have been driving along here, as I found out later on. You'll see in this video. So I took a quick scoot along the beach with my drone at sort of lowish levels to see if I could actually see what it looks like from the drone perspective. And as you can see, they're rather deep tracks. Very interesting, I thought. But then I saw what caused them. And then you see down on the right hand side there, you can see where a bulldozer has been pushing the gravel back up the beach where the sea has washed it away. And right down the far end of the beach at the other end, you'll see in the distance later on, a bulldozer shifted gravel around. And this looks to me like they've been pushing the gravel back up the beach with the bulldozer. Very interesting. Well, I thought it was interesting. So yeah, quick scoot along the beach like this. I guess they're going to come along with a bulldozer at some point and level this all back off again. But these tracks have been created by these huge, great big dumper trucks. In this piece here, you can see where the dumper truck or the bulldozer has been going up and down the beach, creating the pattern in the gravel that it has. I think I came down low. I should have come down low, but you get the idea of what it looks like. It's all being pushed right back up onto the beach. And in the distance, you can see where Beachy is on that point out there. That's where Beachy Lighthouse is, out there somewhere. There's Eastbourne Pier. It's a very nice place to go for a walk in the morning. But look at this, here we come. Here come these four bloody great big dumper trucks trundling up the beach over each of these mounds or gravel which they've piled up over these wave breaker thingies. And that's what caught my eye this morning when I was out with the dogs. These things trundling over these groins, snaking their way up and down the beach. Now, at this point in time, these are empty. And they're going back down the far end of the beach. Now, the other day I was out in the marina and I saw huge, great big lorries unloading gravel at the end by the entrance to the marina. So I'm guessing now, because there was a digger down there, I'm guessing that's where they dumped all the gravel off because it's the easiest access. And this is being transported down towards the pier end of the beach on these dump trucks. That's a typical man thing. Fascinated by big yellow dumper trucks going along the beach. So I just had to follow them along for a while. You know why I did that? Because I can. you go. I'm guessing he's a 6-wheel drive as well. And off they go, trundling their way down the beach. This is where I wish my drone had sound. It's annoying that DJI don't bother to put microphones on these drones, so you don't get any sound. You can't record any sound with them. It's quite annoying, because the noise these things make is quite a grunt. And there you go. There's the bulldozer going up and down the beach there. And there's the digger. So they're either moving gravel from here at this point. I didn't stick around to watch because my battery was getting low. So they're all stopping there. But down the background you can see the bulldozer just moving everything else around. That's a good example of how the bulldozer's being going up and down the beach, just pushing the gravel up. At this point I was contemplating going home, but then I see them coming back down the beach, so I quickly took off again with my drone and captured a little bit more video. But this time they're coming back absolutely fully loaded. So I just stayed low down as they went past. Try and capture a better shot than going over these huge great big mounds of gravel. There they go. What we do, over they go. Again, I wish I had sound. If I was to strap a recording device on top of it, it would then make it illegal to fly because it's a Mini Pro 4 and I'm allowed to fly it wherever I want because it's under 249 grams. If I put a recording device on it, it would take it over the 249 and I wouldn't be able to fly it down the beach like this. But hey ho, such is life. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Turn the sound off if you don't want to hear me talking. But there you go. I found it fascinating.